What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a first impressions slash like makeup review. So if you guys don't know, my biggest thing in my makeup routine is my eyelashes. I obviously did not put mascara on them today because I'm going to be showing you guys a mascara I found. So I found this mascara on TikTok. I've been seeing so many girls post like different kinds of like mascaras that are their favorites, what they do, why they love it, and stuff like that. And I saw this one on there and I really liked the way that it made the girls' lashes look. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to my local Ulta and see if they had it. And they had one left. I was telling you, it was like Jesus. So I got it. It was $24. It was $24. And so now I'm going to be telling you guys about it. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get started. So I actually already lost the box that it came in. I don't know where the box is literally at all. But this is the Liquid Lash Extensions by Thrive Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. And I will show you the wand. That's what the wand looks like, and it's supposed to just like make your lashes look like falsies lash extensions. And it said on the box, if I can remember correctly, that like it helps your lashes grow as well, which I don't know how like that works or anything like that, but I did see that it did that, and I thought that was like really cool. And I was like, well, if this helps my lashes grow and I like it, then like that would be like a plus. So like I said, this is $24 at Ulta. I don't know where else you can get it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes. I'm going to be doing 2 coats. The girl did 2 coats on TikTok, so I shall be doing 2 coats as well. I need to figure out a better stand for this. Give me 1 second. We're about to be janky with our makeup stand. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to be curling my lashes as well. So I'm like very picky about my lashes. So like this is like a big thing for me. So I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to do 1 coat. I don't know if you guys can see. And now we're going to do 1 coat on each side and then on the bottoms, and then we're going to let it dry. I'm going to put a second coat and then see how it goes from there. I also saw on the box that it said like non-clumpy or anything like that. So I'm kind of hoping that that's not like a lie and it's like not clumpy. Because like that's another big thing like I don't like is like clumpiness on my eyes. So that's kind of just like going with 1 coat on. I can move it around a little bit, but that's kind of just like where it's probably gonna stay. And it's a little clumpy, I guess, if you can see that. But maybe I can fix that once I do the second coat. So we'll see. There is... Okay, so far, like first impressions go, it's not my favorite. If you can see, like it is clumping them together, and I'm not a huge fan of that. But like I said, I might be able to fix that with the second coat, and like once I curl them again. So don't get off this video yet because I still have hope for this mascara. I really do, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna let these dry. Oh my god, look at that. This is so bad. I'm gonna let these dry and I'm gonna come back to you guys when I apply the second coat. Okay guys, so I zoomed it in a little more, so we're a little more close and personal than we really should be. But I let it dry a little bit. This is what it looks like right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second coat, and then I'm gonna let the second coat dry, and then I'm gonna curl them just to give it that extra like, you know what I mean, like the extra oomph. So I kind of fixed them while they were drying, so like I'm kind of happier with the way that they look in a sense. I might honestly ruin them when I put the second coat on, but we'll see. As I don't think they're making my lashes look as long as my lashes could look with other mascaras. I feel like they're kind of just like making them look a little thicker, but not longer in the sense, which kind of like, I don't know if I'd wear. Like, look how clumpy that is. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. Oh my god. Okay. So, now we're gonna let this dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and curl them and then see how it looks. I don't know how I feel so far. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think down below because I can't tell if I like them yet. Okay guys, so I let it dry, so now I'm gonna go ahead and curl them. I'm sorry, like, I look so freaking pale on this. I'm just, whatever, you're gonna have to deal with it. And my hair is kind of gross, but whatever. So here we go. Oh my god, I'm actually kind of nervous. Oh my god, that made it so bad. I'm gonna have to fix this. Oh my god. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of my, this mascara is like practically empty. I just really like the way that the wand is on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and like brush them out with this wand, because that wand I don't want to keep using because it's just gonna keep applying product on it. We're just gonna use this wand. I don't know why I did that. I'm not even getting product on it. Out of habit, I guess. Oh my god, my lashes look like they're freaking like crazy. Okay. Does that look better? Not really. Okay, I can survive. It's fine. We can work with it. Okay. Okay. So I guess I should talk about it now. Here's a close-up on them. Oh my god, they kind of look so janky and I don't know how I feel about it. No. Ooh. Okay, so I guess I should talk about it now. So it says that it's like non-clumpy, but as you guys can see, it is actually a little bit clumpy. I don't think that it's easy to spread around with another brush. I feel like if you're gonna buy this mascara, definitely have like a spare spoolie and like brush them and like make them like prettier, because like this literally clumped them together and I had to separate them as good as I can. They're not like perfect, but they're as good as they're gonna get, I guess. So I would probably give this mascara like a 7 out of 10. Like, it's really, really pretty. I like it, but like if I wish like it fanned out my eyelashes more into like falsies than like what it actually turned into. But other than that, I think it's really pretty. So I definitely think you should try it out if you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like this video. If you want more like testing makeup products, definitely tell me down below, because I literally had so much fun and it is such an easy video to do and I can't wait to do more. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below if you guys try it or if you've tried it before. Definitely tell me. I would love to know your thoughts on it. And yeah, so I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.